Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I want to show you how to make a mini album with camera shaped pages. So you have a printable that you can download with some camera printed images and a template for the pages. So you can just go ahead, download the printable, cut it, and then trace it like I did onto a double-sided cardstock. It's really easy, and then you will have really cool camera shaped pages to make your mini album. This is for the generation that still remembers cameras before smartphones. These were the devices that we used to take pictures. Remember that? So what I'm going to do is trace as many pages as I want, and if you only have a one-sided cardstock, then you need to trace one shape on one side and then flip the shape and then trace it on the other side and then attach the pages back to back so they both have pattern on each side. Then if you want, like I did, you can go ahead and trace the papers or the patterns onto cardstock to chipboard, to very thin chipboard, and attach the paper to the chipboard so you'll have really sturdy pages. In the printables you also have some film or some other images that you can use for embellishing and for photo mats or photo frames. So this is a really cool printable that you can download for free. So I'm covering my chipboard pieces with the traced papers, and now I have all my pages. Now for the pages you can do whatever you want. For the cover, the front cover, I traced the shape to black cardstock, so it will be pretty. For the pages, you can do whatever you want. You can add little pockets, belly bands, just add your photos, stickers, stamps, cutouts, whatever you want. I am going to bind all the pages with a ring. That means that you need to make a hole on each of the pages on the same place and then insert a binding ring to bind all the pages together. And with a binding ring you can make as many pages as you want. You can add little tags, little photos on the pages, and then you have a really cool mini album. If you have envelopes or other items that you can insert to your mini album, then you can go ahead and do that. And then have a really cool mini album for small photos. You can make it as a gift. Just covering the other side of the front page. I cut the hole in the front page only there. This is where the aperture of the camera is. So it's really cool if you cut it on the front page. It gives it a more realistic look. But again, it's up to you. These are some of the photos of some of the pages that I did. You can go ahead and add whatever details you want to your pages. And then don't forget to grab your printable to make all the pages from papers, cardstock, chipboard, whatever you want. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything, and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects, including this really great camera mini album. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.